changing your paper on your HK register, you're going to pull up the printer cover, just snap up to reveal the receipt printer for the customer and the journal printer for the business. This is the printer spool assembly. It's just going to stay right there for a second. You're going to grab your paper provided in your box. You're going to find 2/4 width thermal paper. Unroll a bit of it. Pull this cover up. Another snap mechanism. Slide your paper down this way. Make sure it clicks down. Pull that off. Take your second thermal paper, 2/4 width. Pull this up, you'll hear a snap. Roll that down. Pull a bit of excess out and snap it down. At the end of the paper, you're going to do a small fold, like so. Take part of the spool and you're going to slide the paper in just to fasten it. You're going to roll it a bit and you're going to grab the other side of the spool. This is to fasten the paper, keep it in place, and it'll snap once it's in place. You're going to set it on the spool assembly and we're going to put our printer cover back. It should fit right in the openings. Snap it down. Hit clear and you can move on now. Test out the feed. For the journal should move as well. And the paper is changed.